Go home happy with the 2019 Honda Ridgeline. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.